Hello, welcome to a House TV video. And today is another episode of All the Trees of the World, Season 5. Now, I tried recording a video, however the audio cut out midway because I accidentally muted the mic. Yeah. However, during the video I tried recording, Holy Roman Empire fell, Iberia united, the Ottoman Empire annexed Persia, and they also took this land here, and they had the two Indias unite. So now there's no longer two. It's not three. There's no longer three. There's two. I think that's all that's happened. Carthage was kicked out of the African-Indian Treaty. However, let's get into the video. I also greatly these Columbia and the bit of Canada became Greater Columbia. So the first thing that we'll have in this video is that they will make this bit independent, and they put it under a company called the Ottoman Indian Company. That's basically that they use to help with trade in the Indian and this part of the Pacific Ocean. The Democratic Republic of China and the Kingdom of China unite into the Republic of China, and then Russia was forced to unite with Korea and Japan by the Ottoman Empire. Then they funded a war between the Christian Republic of India and the Dominion of India. However, they do go to war with Kazakhstan and the African Union as well. The Republic of China, as the Republic of China is still having to deal with who will be the leader of this new union. So Russia takes a lot of Kazakhstan, and the Dominion of India moves into the Christian Republic of India, eventually taking them over. The Ottoman Empire and the African Union didn't really fight, they were just at war. And then eventually they signed a peace treaty. So this is what the peace treaty looks like. The Dominion of India got all of the Christian Republic of India, and the Empire of Russia got all of Kazakhstan. And then in Africa, basically everybody agreed that the African Union had to be dissolved because of there being too much, having one country have too much power over one continent was just too dangerous, so they had it split it up. So if we go from north to south, we've got Angola, we've got Chad. This one doesn't have a name yet, and that one doesn't have a name yet. These two. And that I might call them, and this one can be called Niger. Now I'll have Niger and that one unite. And then we got Benin, Ghana, Mali, the Republic of the Gambia, and Guinea. I've seen how the African Union is split up. Some countries who has colonies in Africa decide to release them. So these are the new countries in Africa. We've got South Africa, and then we've got the Benin Republic, then you got Namibia, and then this bit was taken by the Dominion of South Africa, because the Ottoman Empire is not giving up their claims in Africa, as they want to own the entire Indian Ocean. So now there's two South Africas. Now there's one South Africa. And so Morocco's kicked out the African Indian Treaty and becomes the Manila Treaty, and Vietnam joins this. So does the Ottoman Empire actually. However, then they leave. And they join the Treaty of Europe. However, then they leave. And then they make an alliance with Austria and France. It's known as the Balkan Treaty. So yeah, there's quite a large alliance. Now it's not actually many alliances, is there? Actually, I don't know. We got Order of Manila. Oh, hey, we got the Order of Manila and the Manila Treaty. We got the Treaty of Europe. FATO, which is the fascist American treaty organization. So all these countries are fascist. In Africa, there's a new alliance between Libya, Mali, Morocco, Niger, Benin, Chad, Guinea, and the Benin Republic, known as the African Commonwealth. And they basically made the alliance to stop the expansion of the Ottoman Empire. However, the Ottoman Empire is the strongest nation, and they can get troops from Madagascar, parts of Australia, Indonesia, India, South Africa, and Russia. And of course, the Ottoman Empire itself. So they can't really do much. However, some other countries do join it, like Angola. Other countries in Africa also join it, like the Latin Union and the United States of the Americas. And then Australia also joins it. And then the Order of Manila gets destroyed, but they join the Manila Treaty. However, that will be the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Go to hazardtv.co.uk for some Hazard TV merch. And until next time.